Okay. Hey everybody, this here is my Gsxr 750 from the year 2006. We are about to throw it on the junkie lift. Here we got the bike on the lift, 2006 Gsxr 750. Welcome. Today is our project. We are going to relocate this rectifier from here to here. We're going to move it 90 degrees with this kit. I got this right here from Amazon. It is a Suzuki Gsxr 600 750 K6 K7 rectifier regulator bracket relocation kit for 2006-2007. It's made out of 304 stainless steel and it's new. Pretty cool. I don't think we have a knife. Let's check our trusty toolbox. For a cutting implement. When in doubt, you grab some snap ring pliers and hook it. Works every time. That's why I keep them. I don't ever use snap rings. Anyway, we have this piece of metal. It has no instructions, which is great. Comes with some spacers. Okay. New mounting screws. Okay. We've never done this before. I've watched a bunch of videos on it. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Got the seat off just in case, if you can see over there. Hold on one second. Much better. Had some cloudiness. Ooh, this one's tight. I would get the power tools, but it's not really a good area and I don't want to bang up the fairings. So we're going to see if this, hey, this sucker, oh, never mind. So this sucker's loose. Of course it's loose. I just loosened the bolts. Okay. Yeah. That wasn't good, but it's right there in case y'all can see. Hold on. There it is. Screws. Okay. Yeah, from the looks, we're going to have to bring the... Y'all can laugh, I don't care. I'm clumsy. That's too small. Need to go up. Ooh, I wonder if the 8, no, that's 6. Yeah. Your bolt on your gas tank is a 6 millimeter Allen wrench from Harbor Freight Tools. Although I don't like Allen wrenches from Harbor Freight anymore. I have some Snap-on, but they're not anywhere nearby. Okay, here we go. Probably need some sort of a prop rod. Okay, hold up. Gonna pull the key from the ignition. Twist that out of the way. We may go ahead and disconnect the ground off the battery here in a second. Well, shit. Oh, okay. Those little things come off too. Huh. It's news to me. Is there a prop rod under here? Probably not. No. And I don't I think there's a prop rod in there. Let's see. I have a prop rod on my Hayabusa, but I don't want to have to get it. We have one of these though. That's too big. Yeah, I'm just a train wreck on when it comes right there. I just want to know we need a light. And I have one. We'll be right back, everybody. We're back. So, we've got us a 10mm wrench. We're going to take these bolts loose from this bracket. We're going to look at the light. So we probably need another 10mm wrench. For this, we'll be right back again. No, wait, we won't. We're just gonna grab one because we got tools out the wazoo in this place. Got the 12 wrenches there. Hold on, what we got? 10mm wrench. That's for the 13, 10. Why got it? I'm gonna bang everything up because that's what we're good at doing. We need to get this light in here somehow. Okay, that works. See what you can do when you innovate. We'll be back in a minute. Back again, sorry for the delay.
Unknown caller.
Oh, now I have a phone call. We'll be back. We're back. Got my homie Wayne here helping. He likes to smoke cigars. We've got it relocated with the relocation kit from Amazon. We're back. We've got it relocated with the relocation kit from Amazon. Whoever invented that didn't think through everything. So what we had to do, because we have a frame slider that I'm not willing to remove or change, we put it where it's supposed to go on the old bracket. We also wanted the horn to be in its intact spot right there. We used one screw to hold it. It ain't moving, it's in there tight. And then we put the original screw on the bottom of the bracket, if you can see that. You have to remove the air box to get to the plugs so you can reroute the wires. There's no way around that. Don't drop screws in the motor. I didn't, but you shouldn't either. Anyway, we'll be back in a minute. Here we go. We've relocated it here. We've got the fairing on. We bought some really crappy garbage, sorry I have to say it, but garbage bolts for the fairings. So the actual size is the same size as all the other bolts, but they are junk. They're made out of aluminum. I'm going to try to get some steel bolts. The ones that were in here were 3mm Allen wrench. These are 4mm, and that's what I prefer because they don't strip as easy. Anyway, there's our new rectifier relocated in a solid spot right above the frame slider. We got the tank bolted back on. We just got to put the seat on and the little side covers. We'll probably do that now, if my friend will help me, but he don't like me, so you know.
Wouldn't be if I didn't like it.
Yeah, he says that, but he calls me names. Yeah. So
Broke on this one?
yeah, so you line it up with that hole.
And
And-
slide in?
Well, it's supposed to, but it don't. It's Velcro. Now I have to find the seat bolts. There's one on each side. What did that come off of? That didn't come off of here. So now the best thing to do is lose the bolts. You find it? It looks like this. Okay. You got it snapped in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a little bit of sense.
Then we take the seat and we screw everything up, slip it under the thing. Hold on, make sure everything's in place. Then you put the bolts in. And he's probably got the Allen wrench over there. But I have one here. We've already checked the voltage. It was putting out 14.2 volts, which is absolutely awesome. Really awesome. And one thing you should always do when you have your bike on a rack like this is leave a bunch of tools under it, so when you roll it off the thing, it's harder to roll off the lift. That's what I always do. It's just natural. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope I was explanatory enough how to relocate this. It was a headache. You take these two bolts out, you pull that out, you got to take the tank off, all that stuff. I had to use one bolt to hold the bracket in place, but it's not moving anywhere. It's in there solid as a rock. Tight. It's not going to vibrate loose. It's locked in good. But it's not going to move. So it's the best I could do. This thing's in the way, but I'm not risking scratching the fairings up for no frame slider. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Tell your grandmother to subscribe. And subscribe to my friend Fish, whose channel is Redneck Rides, even though he hates my videos. That would be awesome. See y'all later.